hello, 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 hello.
It is spring. The birds of America are in full song. Woods and fields, gardens and shade trees resound with their music. Each species has its characteristic song. Over and over again it sings the same little musical phrases that anyone with a good ear can learn to recognize. Thereafter you will walk with friends in the great outdoors instead of with just a medley of sounds. It is surprising how many more birds you will see when once you have learned to recognize their songs. So let's take the little book with its color plates and go for a bird walk, and we will use our ears as well as our eyes. We will start in the garden on a spring morning, and today the first song that greets our ears is the cheerful warble of the bluebird. There it is, singing from the roof of the birdhouse where its mate is building the nest. Chirr, calls the female. Cheer, cheerful charmer, chuckles the male, and shrugs one wing, as though it really did not matter.
Page 45, Lesser Scaup Duck. Page 46, American Goldeneye. Page 47, Barrow's Goldeneye. Page 48, Old Squaw.